Alright, problem 52. Find the value of k that makes the piecewise function continuous for all values of x. Why is it not continuous? Well, because this thing has a hole in it at the x value of -2. So let's divide out that hole. So synthetically divide, quickest way to start, 1, -1, -4, and a +4. You could absolutely factor that numerator by grouping, but division is going to be way quicker. So divide out the -2 and see what's left. +1 times a -2 gives me a -2. -1 minus 2 is a -3. -3 times a -2 is going to give me a +6. 6 minus 4 is going to give me a +2. And a 2 times a -2 is going to be a -4, which is a good thing because I get a remainder of 0, which means there was, in fact, a hole and it has now been removed. So what am I left with? Well, I'm left with, can you hear her? Oh, you're so cute. You're left with x squared minus 3x plus 2 in the numerator, and you are left with a 3 in the denominator from that 3 right there. 3 times x minus 2 gives you 3x plus 6. Oh my gosh, you're ridiculous. You cannot have it. It is not yours. You're adorable, but deal with it. So we have that, and we want to fill this hole, which means we need to figure out where the hole is. So we plug in the x value of -2. And so we get -2 squared is 4 minus 3 times -2 plus 2. So -3 times -2 is +6. So 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12, divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And so we know that 4 must then equal 3x minus k. So 3x minus k has to equal 4, but instead of x, I need to use -2. Okay, so my dog literally just ran up the stairs crying like a baby, and she actually opened the door and let herself out. She's crazy smart. So 3 times -2 is a -6, and someone just closed the door for me, so thanks, Dad. -6 minus k equals 4. So what are we going to do? We're going to add k to both sides, and we're going to subtract 4. I want to get that over there, and we get that over there. So k has to equal -6 minus 4 is -10, and we're finished.